Good morning students, I am Ashmi Prasad and creator of this channel Digital Generation. This channel is regarding chapter wise preparation for both ISSC and CBSE students. I hope you will get best knowledge and explanation from this channel. Today we will discuss 5 most important questions from nuclear energy. Number 5. A nuclear reaction is represented by the following equation. Here the equation is given. Name the process represents here and describe what happens here. This equation represents nuclear fusion reaction because two nuclei of light elements like hydrogen combines together or fuse together to form heavy nucleus of helium, and it also emits neutrons plus enormous amount of energy. So let us first write the complete equation. Two nucleus of hydrogen. Here hydrogen is of atomic mass 2, that is it is deuterium. This hydrogen is deuterium. Two light nucleus of hydrogen atom or deuterium atom having atomic mass 2 is taken together. Here millions of pascals of pressure and millions of degrees of temperature is needed. Then it will fuse to give one big nucleus of helium plus one neutron plus tremendous amount of heat. This is the nuclear fission reaction. Now we will discuss what is happening here. Here the two nuclei of light elements or hydrogen or deuterium hydrogen atom having atomic mass 2 combines together or fuse together under millions of pascals of pressure and millions of degrees of temperature. When pressure and temperature are quite extreme, then these two hydrogen nuclei fuse together to form a large nucleus of helium, and one neutron plus tremendous amount of energy is also produced. This is called the nuclear fission reaction, and this type of reaction is found in hydrogen bomb. Identify the particle C. The particle C is neutron, which is emitted in this process of nuclear fission, and number of eggs of such particles. Here neutron is 1. One neutron is emitted in nuclear fission reaction. What does P represent? Here P represents the enormous or tremendous amount of energy which is liberated during the fusion of these two hydrogen nuclei to form helium nucleus. How is detonation of this bomb done? The detonation or explosion of this hydrogen bomb is done by using atom bomb. Atom bomb is based on nuclear fission reaction and hydrogen bomb is based on nuclear fusion reaction. And among the two bombs, hydrogen bomb and atom bomb, hydrogen bomb is more powerful than atom bomb because hydrogen bomb produces tremendous amount of energy in very short time. The next question, source of sun energy and source of hydrogen bomb are the same. That is, the source of sun and source of hydrogen bomb are due to nuclear fusion reaction. But what is the difference between the sun's energy and the hydrogen bomb? There is a great difference between the sun's energy and hydrogen bomb. Though the source of sun's energy is also nuclear fission reaction and the source of hydrogen bomb is also nuclear fission reaction. But sun's energy supports life on Earth, whereas hydrogen bombs destroys life and property completely on Earth. This is because hydrogen bomb explodes nearer to us than the sun. State the advantages and disadvantages of the nuclear energy. The advantages of nuclear energy are: number 1, huge amount of energy can be produced by burning small amount of nuclear fuel like uranium-235. For example, one atom of uranium-235 can produce 10 million times more energy than that produced by burning of one atom of carbon from coal. Number 2, once the fuel is loaded in nuclear reactor, then it will continue to produce electricity for 2 to 3 years. There is no need of adding fuel again and again in the nuclear reactor. Number 3, no carbon dioxide gas which contributes in greenhouse effect or sulfur dioxide gas which causes acid rains are produced. Now we will discuss about the disadvantages of nuclear energy. The most dangerous disadvantages of nuclear energy are that the waste product or byproduct of nuclear reactor are radioactive substances. It emits harmful radiations for millions of years. So there is a great problem in storage or disposal of this nuclear waste. There is a high risk of environmental contamination. Number 2, there is a chances of accident in nuclear reactor which may cause leaking of these radioactive substances, which will be very harmful for all living beings and also for the environment because it emits harmful radiation from these radioactive substances like uranium. Number 3, installation of this nuclear power plant are very costly. Number 4. Limited availability of radioactive substances like uranium-235 or plutonium-239. So, because of these limitations, the large-scale production of nuclear energy is prohibited in India. In India, only 3% of the electricity is produced by obtaining nuclear energy. Thank you for watching my video, and if you find my video useful, please do like and share my videos and subscribe my channel to get the latest update of my videos. And if you have any doubt regarding this topic, comment below. I will try to answer as early as possible.